Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling 3 essentials and initiating the first actionable steps. Connect the 10 kW power source to your control bus and verify stable output. This supplies sustained energy. Install the atomic clock into the timing rack and calibrate against GPS time. Precision must be set. Mount the superconducting coil inside the vacuum chamber, then engage initial pump down to 10.6 mbar. Once done, energize cooling to reach superconducting temperature, and confirm sensors report nominal parameters before continuing. You now build the interacting field and execute detailed steps to create a controlled spacetime perturbation. Route phased array drivers to the coil and set phase offsets with 1 degree's resolution. This sculpts the field topology. Flash the control firmware that runs waveform templates, enforces safety interlocks, and logs every millisecond. Start a controlled ramp to half power over 30 minutes while watching for resonance peaks and thermal drift. Make sure to adjust phase and amplitude iteratively until telemetry shows coherent, stable field patterns. You complete the procedure by synchronizing timing and initiating the jump sequence. Lock the target offset to within plus or minus 2 nanoseconds and verify callouts from the atomic clock. Arm the 3-stage trigger, a 5 ms primary pulse, followed by a 0.5 ms fine-tune burst, and a microsecond damping sequence. Execute only when all safeties report green. If the field collapses too quickly, cut power immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if instability occurs, pause, revert to previous stable phase settings, and inspect coil alignment and cryo.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.